Hello, friends. I hope you and your family are keeping safe during these testing times. I am Dr. Saurabh Raval, Senior Consultant Spine Surgeon from JP Hospital, Noida. Today, I will be sharing some tips and tricks to prevent back pain and neck pain during this time. Now, I feel that it is very important that we should try and maintain an active lifestyle. I would suggest that we should walk daily for at least 10,000 steps. This can involve walking at home, walking in your balcony, walking on your terrace, and try to help your spouse in the daily household chores. Apart from that, I would suggest that you should try and lose some weight. Be regular with exercises for the back. You can try yoga, especially yoga asanas like Bhujangasana, Dhanurasana, and Ardha Pavan Muktasana. Try to quit smoking because that is harmful for the back and neck. Try to avoid excessive use of mobile phones. Try to take an adequate amount of vitamin D. So stay at home, stay safe. We are all of us are in this together, and we will overcome this crisis very soon. Thank you.